Áno?
Oh yes, the star arrived.
OK, tak, dobre, tak prichádza Anna Kurníková.
Anna Kurníkovová. Svoju prvú raketu dostala ako 5-ročná, o 3 roky v nej objavili skutočný talent a v 14 sa stala najmladšou hráčkou, ktorá vyhrala Fed Cup. Je dvojnásobnou víťazkou Australian Open, no jej hlavným tromfom je jej očarujúca krása. Stala sa tvárou mnohých módnych značiek a magazín People ju 4-krát zaradil medzi najkrajších ľudí sveta. Žije po boku speváka Enrique Iglesiasa a dnes sa venuje predovšetkým charite a exhibičným zápasom. Anna Kurníkovová prichádza do Adela Show.
This is your applause. It's a long applause. You have to wait. To dlhý potles musíme počkať. Tento potles patrí môjmu dnešnému hostovi v Adela Show. Veľmi sa teším, že tu dnes večer je. Anna, stačí. Anna, our first problem is, náš prvý problém je, že my teraz nevieme, že či ťa máme volať Kurníková alebo Kurníkovová, každý to hovorí inak. So is it Kurníková or Kurníkovová? We all say different.
Well, it's in Russian, it's Kurnikova. And
v ruštine je to Kurníková.
And in English, Kornikova, I guess.
A v angličtine Kurníkovová.
So yeah, it's like Anna, everybody calls me different. I'm used to both.
Každý ma volá inak a som zvyknutá na oboje. So I can call you Anna. Okay, poviem ťa...
You can call me whatever you want.
Whatever I want. Môžem volať ako len chcem. I have to think about something. Musím si najprv niečo vymyslieť. No, problém je, že ja jediné, čo viem po rusky, the only sentence I know in Russian is как тебя зовут.
That was really good. Really, really, really good
pronunciation. To bolo veľmi dobré, veľmi dobrá výslovnosť. Spasíba. That's the second thing.
Yeah, that's the second, exactly.
And the third thing, posledná vec, ktorú viem, že ja neponímajú po rusky. Okay?
That's really good.
Thank you very much.
Those are the most important you need to know.
Okay, so I can start our interview. Môžem začať náš rozhovor. Как тебя зовут?
Меня зовут Аня.
Now you ask me.
I do? Oh, how are you? What's your name?
My name is Adela. Okay, so this was our English-Russian lesson. Rozmýšľala som o niečom, čo máme spoločné. Obe sme vyrastali za socializmu v...
What?
No, I will say it in English.
I'm kidding.
Okay. V slovanských krajinách. I'm thinking of something what we two maybe have in common. We both grew up in socialism in Slavic countries, and I wanted to know if you, for example, know the same fairy tales as I do. Či poznáš tie isté rozprávky ako ja? Vlk a zajac.
Of course.
You know.
Volk and Zajac, yes.
No.
The wolf and the rabbit.
Áno, Vlk a zajac. No pagadi.
Yeah. It's that cartoon?
Yes, je to ten kreslený film. To si pozerávala? You were watching this?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, and they would only show it, you know, in Moscow, in Russia, they would only show it like early in the morning before school and, you know, 8:45 before bedtime.
Ukazovali to vždy len skoro ráno.
Twice a day only.
Takže iba 2-krát za deň púšťali vlka a zajaca, vždy veľmi skoro pred školou, alebo potom veľmi neskoro. A to prečo? Lebo vlk fajčil, because the wolf was smoking and it was bad influence.
He was?
He was smoking, the wolf was...
I don't remember.
Že to si nepamätám. The wolf... Hey, the wolf was a negative...
They were also killing each other, so that's not as violent.
Áno, of course, bolo to násilné.
Like Tom and Jerry is violent.
Ako Tom and Jerry. Každý kreslený film je násilný. All cartoons are violent, I think. Ale vlk fajčil, the wolf was smoking all the time and he wanted to kill the poor rabbit. To som ti asi nemala hovoriť. I shouldn't have told you this. Now you will be sad.
So sad. You just reminded me of my...
Ja som sa teda dozvedela, že keď si ty bola malá, tak rodičia kvôli tomu, aby ti mohli kúpiť raketu, predali televízor. Is it because the fact that your parents, because they wanted to buy the first racket, they sold the television?
Yes, it was for a short time there we were without television.
Bol tam krátky čas, keď sme boli bez televízora.
It was good. That means I was busy playing tennis, doing sports.
Aspoň som sa teda venovala športu.
I think kids are watching too much TV
this time. Ja si myslím, že deti pozerajú príliš veľa televízie. OK. Tak ako vyzeralo potom tvoje detstvo? Nebolo to príliš veľa? How did your childhood look like? Don't you feel like now that it was a bit too much of working and job?
No, not at all. I mean, in the beginning, until I was 10 years old, until I was 9 years old, it was always about just fun and hanging out with other kids
Kým som mala
in a
9-10
tennis
rokov,
club.
tak v podstate to bolo také, že na úrovni toho,
I
že sme
was-
s deťmi boli veľa na
I
tenisových
had so
kurtoch.
much energy
Mala som veľa energie.
that in order for my parents to make me go to sleep, I had to be outside all day and run around.
Aby ma mohli rodičia dať spať, tak som sa musela vonku vyčerpať a celý deň pobehovať.
So I think it's great for kids to be active
Myslím,
and
že je
to
super pre deti, aby boli
be always
aktívne,
busy.
aby stále niečo robili. Tvoji rodičia teda boli športovci a vy ste sa mali dobre, stredne zle. What were your financial conditions in your family when you were small?
Very, very low kind of income. You
Ako
know,
relatívne
very
nízka
average
životná
low,
úroveň.
Yeah. Nothing crazy. I grew up in one-room apartment.
Vyrastali sme v jednoizbovom byte.
Yeah,
That
so-
means, to znamená ty a tvoji rodičia, you and your parents in one
Me and
room.
my parents, and then most of the summers I
Väčšinu
lived with my
leta som bola so
grandparents
starými rodičmi,
because my parents were so young.
pretože
when
moji
they
rodičia
had
boli
me that
takí
they
mladí,
were
keď ma mali,
working.
takže museli pracovať. Ako mladí boli? How young were they?
My mom was 18.
Mama mala
My
18
dad was 20.
a otec mal 20.
Yeah, so really, really young. So they
Veľmi,
had to
veľmi
work
mladí.
all the time, and I was a lot of times with my grandparents.
To znamená, že ty si prišla, akože, že ťa nejak splodili omylom, alebo si bola plánovaná? You were a planned child? Or
I
what
don't
is
know,
it?
ask my mom. It will be interesting what
Opýtaj
she's
sa
gonna
mojej
say.
mamy, možno by to bolo zaujímavé. You never asked her? Nikdy si sa neopýtala?
Not really.
Vlastne ani nie.
No, I mean, they were married.
Akože boli
so,
zosobášení,
Yeah, so they've been together since,
boli spolu
early school.
už
Like,
skoro od školy.
So,
Like, odkedy? Od 10 from 10? Or...
probably.
A ty si sa nikdy nezaujímala o to, ako sa tvoji rodičia zoznámili, ako to začalo? You've never been interested in how your parents got together, how they got to
They
know
got
each
together,
other?
they, like I said, they met in school, but
Stretli sa v
also
škole.
because they were both athletes.
Obaja boli
so
atleti.
after school activities were together.
Takže
they lived in the same area.
mali tie spoločné
They went to the
športové
same
aktivity.
school. So, because my dad was a wrestler,
Môj otec bol wrestler,
yes, like Greco-Roman wrestler.
grécko-rímsky
Yeah.
zápasník.
Yeah, and my mom was a runner.
A mama bola
athletics.
bežkyňa na
she was
400
running-
metrov.
Exacto. Yes, exactly. So she was a runner, and that's how
Tak
I
sa
think they
nejak dali
had the
dokopy.
sports in common.
Takže šport ich spojil. Ty si pekná po otcovi alebo po mame? Are you beautiful because of your mother or because of your father?
I don't know.
No?
I don't know.
Neviem. Was a stupid question? To bola hlúpa otázka?
No, it
Okay,
wasn't.
nie, nemá-
I just don't think of myself as like, really beautiful or
Po
whatever.
poštárovi. Povedal sa.
What?
After the postman. You know,
Oh yeah, exactly. Probably the neighbor.
alebo sused. OK.
No, but I look exactly like my dad.
Vyzerám úplne jak môj otec.
I think whoever sees my father, they think, oh my God,
Každý, kto vidí môjho otca, tak
and
ja...
my grandmother also.
A ešte ako stará mama.
And if I gain 30 pounds,
A keď,
I look identical.
priberiem 35 kg, budem vyzerať identicky ako like your father or like your grandmother?
Both.
Ako
Together.
obaja.
They're
Ako
identical.
stará mama s otcom vyzerajú rovnako. Nice.
Yeah.
I think I had the same boyfriend as you. Myslím, že som mala to
Maybe.
istého priateľa.
Really? Is there something I don't know about? Is there something I don't know
Je tu
about?
niečo, o čom neviem? Necháme si na to ešte čas. I will tell you later.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell me. I'm interested.
Povedz mi. Nechcem hovoriť o svojom súkromí. I don't want to talk about my private life.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Okay, no problem.
I won't ask more.
OK, nebudem sa pýtať viac. But if I tell you, keď ja ti poviem, will you tell me? Povieš mi ty?
We're best friends. I can tell you anything.
Sme najlepšie kamarátky. No, for example, napríklad, ako často si doma v Rusku? How often are you at home in Russia?
I go about a couple of times a year.
Niekoľkokrát do roka.
Yeah.
A na Vianoce during Christmas, where are you? Kde si?
I'm in Florida.
Na Floride.
Yeah, but a lot of times I travel or work during
Často
Christmas or
cestujem
weekends or
aj cez
holidays.
Vianoce, aj cez víkendy.
So for me, it's
Takže
never
pre
really
mňa-
about the actual number or the date or Christmas or New Year's or a certain holiday. It's about just getting together whenever
Takže
you
pre mňa to
can.
nezávisí od nejakých dátumov, ale aby sme sa dostali k sebe, keď môžeme. OK. So now I tell you something about my private life. Teraz ti poviem niečo o
All
mojom súkromnom
right,
živote.
juicy.
Mala som aféru s Enrique Iglesiasom. A I had an affair with Enrique Iglesias.
Wow. Was it good? No, why?
Ani veľmi nie. Bolo to dobré, ani veľmi nie. Stále hovoril o tebe. He was still, mentioning you all the time.
Oh, no. That cannot be true.
No, to nemôže byť pravda.
That
Prečo?
cannot be true. Look at you. How could he think about somebody
Pozri
else?
sa na seba, ako mohol hovoriť o niekom inom. No tiež tomu nerozumiem. I don't understand it too. Men, muži.
Cuckoo.
Všetci sú šialení
They're all
muži.
crazy. Men.
Muži sú
They always
šialení.
want something
Stále
else.
chcú niečo iné.
Right?
Aha. Áno, áno. Tak potom som ho poslala k vode. So then I left him.
Good for you. Good
Yes,
girl. Give me 5. If a guy doesn't appreciate you,
Keď ťa muž neocení,
goodbye.
pošli ho preč. Je dobré, že moja najlepšia kamoška mi hovorí také veci. It's good that we are best friends, you're telling me a lot of things. A ako zistím, že ma muž oceňuje? How can I know that the man appreciates me?
Well, you have to feel it.
Musíš to cítiť.
You have to feel it, and you know you gotta know it. And
A musíš to vedieť.
you'll know, right?
Veď to vieš, no neviem, niekedy neviem. A ty nechceš o svojom súkromí vôbec hovoriť. Budeme to rešpektovať. You don't want to talk about your private life at all.